In the previous video, we saw how to create deployments. Now let's see the namespaces. Let's create a file named namespaces.yaml. Let's add the basic properties, the API version, kind, metadata and name. The value of API version is v1. Kind will be namespace. Let's name it devspace. Let's create it. Let's check for the namespaces available. There are multiple namespaces available. There is the default one, and also our devspace namespace. Let's add the parameters for another namespace for the test environment, and one for the production environment with the name prodspace. Let's create them. Let's check them. We can see that our namespaces were created for all three environments. Let's deploy the pod from the file that we created earlier in the dev namespace. Just checking the pods will list the pods from the default namespace. We will have to add the -n argument followed by the name of our namespace to get our pods. Let's create one more pod in the test namespace. Let's check it. We can see the pod. So we have one pod in the dev namespace, and another is the test namespace. But the pods are running the same service, but neither of them is interfering with each other. That's a namespace for you. That's all for this video. See you in the next video, on the next topic.